Hey cuties, and welcome back to Vlogtober episode 2. In today's vlog, I want to show you guys how I handle when I get new inventory in, and I wanted to unbox some inventory with you guys. I got some more football purses in. I also got some new clothes in. I have them up on the rack right here. So I want to show you guys how I tag all of my clothes, how I get my barcode, what platform I use, and all of that good stuff in today's vlog. If you enjoy watching and learning about how to start your own online boutique, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what else you'd love to see from my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Carrie and I am the owner here at Daisy Boutique, and over here on this YouTube channel I post all kinds of vlogs from behind the scenes working in online boutique. I also am a co-host for an Airbnb here in Nashville, so I kind of show you guys both of those lifestyles. If that's something you're interested in, let's get into today's video. When new inventory arrives, it can be very exciting, but it can also be very overwhelming if you don't have a system for product intake. I'm going to show you my product intake, and that starts with receiving the inventory. If you didn't know, I run Daisy Boutique out of a spare bedroom, and I have to deal with a little bit amount of space and a lot of inventory. What I do, I have this clothing rack here is where I hang my newest inventory. So anything new that comes in, I take it out the box and hang it up right here on this clothing rack. Then I'll take a steamer and steam any wrinkles so that it doesn't look like it just came out of the package when it arrives at your house. I'm all about the shopper's experience, so I try to do things that make it easier on my customers and they can wear their inventory straight out of the package if they want to. Aside from this clothing rack, I also have a bookshelf over here that you guys seen me unbox in my last Vlogtober episode, if I'm not mistaken. I unboxed that and I have it set up, and I have a few different things on this shelf. I have my most reached for accessories like my shoe charms. I also have my hair accessories for my spooky mystery boxes. I also have my football purses on this shelf as well, which I will need to do a little bit of reorganizing this shelf in this video. Behind you guys, I also have another shelf, but I'm thinking about getting rid of the shelf or moving it into my other room, which I use that room mainly for storage. It's my old bedroom, so I use it for storage mainly, and that houses my Depop stuff, my Mercari stuff, anything that I sell on other platforms. I try to keep in that room so that I'm not sifting through inventory trying to figure out, oh, this person ordered this off of Depop. So yeah, you get what I'm saying, right? On the shelf behind you guys, I also keep my vinyl for my current seasonal projects that I'm working on. So right now I'm doing a lot of Halloween stuff, and I also have my t-shirts on that shelf. I needed somewhere else to put my t-shirts that wasn't in the closet. Oh, I don't remember. Did I tell you guys what platform I use to run my small business? I use Shopify. This video is not sponsored or anything, but I do have a link down in the description box if you'd love to start your own online boutique. You can click and register through there, and Shopify will pay me a little bit of a commission, if I'm not mistaken, on your first subscription with them. Now, I absolutely love Shopify down. I've seen businesses use Squarespace. I've seen them do strictly Etsy, strictly Depop. I started my own website very early on in the game. I started it as soon as I was ready to launch my business. I launched my Shopify. I wanted to show y'all the materials that I use when it comes to tagging clothes when I'm receiving inventory. I like to use these little strings. I got them off of Temu. To your clothes, you've probably seen these when you go clothes shopping. They just connect to each other. You stick them in and they lock to each other. I just got some in pink. I'll add the link for these on my Bendable. You can check the link in the description to shop all of my small business online boutique finds. Now, if you aren't going to use these kind of tags, then you're gonna need a tagging gun. One day I'm going to paint this and make it so cute instead of buying another one. They all do the same thing. These are the little plastic staples that connect the tag to your clothing. When you purchase one of these, it comes with a a ton of these. I have yet to run out. These are the tags that I am currently using. I just cut these out with my Cricut machine with some glitter cardstock. I put my QR code on the back along with my logo. One of the size stickers would fit right here in the corner, or they fit on any of the corners. Sometimes I have a barcode for my item, so I'll just put that there, but I don't have a scanner just yet. I haven't really been doing those lately, but that's super easy to do in Shopify as well using the barcode app. But yeah, with these tags, I use these and they just look so cute, and it's so simple to do and add your own little cute, unique touch to your inventory. Now with the size stickers, I got those from Temu as well. No sense in spending extra money when you can find these same items cheaper elsewhere. This is the app that I use for barcodes when I do want to put a barcode on an item. I use the app Retail Barcode Label. In the Shopify App Store, you just go to the search bar and you can type in retail barcode and it'll pop up. It's built by Shopify, powered by Shopify, one of those. It's really easy to use, and you can go down the list and select the product that you are needing. Or if you have a store that's already built and you've already started using it, you can just click create barcodes for products without barcodes, and it will create barcodes for every single product that you have. Now, I'm going to show you guys the secret to cheaper shipping. I use Pirate Ship, and you can go straight into your Shopify search bar, type in Pirate Ship, and it should pop up under the App Store. You open that up. In my case, I've already signed up for it, but you will go in and sign up and do all of that jazz. You'll get better shipping rates than using just the Shopify platform itself. I have some new inventory that just came in. It's some more of those football purses, so let's unbox them together, and I'll put the link for them down in the description box as well. Like I said in the last video, they are currently my best seller. This box was supposed to be a lot bigger, but they refunded some of them. I guess they were out of stock. I'm trying to make my vlogs more interesting for you guys because I like to watch interesting small business vlogs and not just people packing orders. It is Vlogtober, so I do plan to upload 2 videos a week at least. If there's more going on this month, then of course I'll upload extra vlogs, but I'm trying to see how many, if I can stay consistent with uploading 2 times a week. Looking like a bright star today, Cece. I restocked a few of the unusual colors in the football bag. I have the royal blue. I also got a red. I also got a purple. And I had ordered, I know for sure that I ordered 2 of these, and I remember seeing that one of them was refunded, but I also picked up another white one just to have a white one on standby. It is football season, so if you have a football game coming up, or you know somebody that has a football game coming up, or if you're an NFL wifey or girlfriend, hit my line and get you one of these bags. You can use code YouTube for money off of your order, and you can pick you up one of these super cute football bags if I have them in stock. If not, let me know which color you are most interested in, and I will try to bring that back and restock that for y'all. I don't know why it keeps going in and out of focus, but I need for this camera to get it together, baby. Thank you. Maybe it's because I'm talking with my hand. I'm loving this look today, this makeup look. It's very minimal, but also not minimal. Let me put the light on me. You see this beat, honey? Face card is valid. Ignore this situation I got going on over here. I moved all of this from where my backdrop is now to over there because I couldn't figure out where I wanted the backdrop to go, but I found the perfect place. But I wanted to tag my football bags with you guys really quick. So these are my really cute tags. Use the rest of these on all of my football purses. I need to save one because I have a t-shirt order going out. So I'm going to tag 3 football purses with y'all, starting with this red one. Now, if you see, they come with tags on them. but I like to cut it off and add my tag along with the safety tag. Now you don't necessarily have to add the second tag, the safety tag back, but I do to look professional. In these, you just literally stick it right through the hole, and now they're on a tag. And then for my case use, I'm going to put it right here on this, and you just loop it through and lock it in. And just like that, you have a really cute tag on your boutique items. Now I'm gonna do a time lapse and tag these two other purses, and I'm gonna look to see if I have any more glitter cardstock lying around anywhere. So now that I have these new incoming bags tagged with my branded tag, I'm going to put them on this shelf here. So let me go move all of this stuff out the way. This is the shelf that holds my most purchased items. This top shelf is where I typically have my football purses, but I have some new mugs up here on the shelf. So now I need to move the mugs elsewhere. I just literally put them there yesterday. I guess I can move them down here to where these shorts are, and I'll just have to hang these up on the clothes rack. If I ever move into a storefront, I do plan to reuse all of this furniture, so I'm trying to buy pieces that last along with things that are actually much more cohesive with each other, so that once I do get into a storefront, if I want to change up like my theme and like my color and stuff, I'll have universal pieces. So I have a gold clothing rack, gold timeless. I plan to use gold quite a lot because gold is like my favorite jewelry color. I do plan to bring gold all into my boutique. I do plan to keep the light pink or like the bubblegum pink. I don't know what that's gonna be like later down the road, but that's what I have for now. I did go ahead and tag a few of these pieces, so I went ahead and tagged this one. This is a size medium, and it has the medium sticker along with the QR code. I just need to steam them, and I think I'm gonna do that really quick since I have y'all here. Let me go grab the steamer, and we're gonna steam these clothes together. The steamer that I have is a little ugly. It is a Joy Mangano. It's called My Little Steamer. It is a really cute purple color. It actually matches the walls and my shirt. It matches my shirt too. But I'm gonna wait for this to warm up and we will steam the clothes. Is this how y'all be getting them T-angles with a selfie stick on your DJI Osmo? I could walk around like this all day and get y'all that content, sweetie. I also need to press a t-shirt with y'all so I can pack that order up and get that off to the post office. I've got that shelf cleared off. I have up here two of the chocolate brown, well, I changed the name of them. I have two of the brown purses here, and I have a silver clutch. This is just what the chocolate brown one looks like. I don't know why I didn't show y'all this. It's very fall related. My boyfriend got me a cinnamon bagel from Panera Bread. This is all that's left of it. If you've ever had their cinnamon bagels, you know how good this is. I figured this is such a fall staple that I had to show you guys. Like, look at all of that cinnamon. I'm going to make him take me back to get another one this weekend because this was absolutely the bomb. This is heaven. Heaven sent for real. Wow. I'm waiting for Vlogtober's first episode to upload to YouTube. Then I'm gonna start uploading the footage from this vlog. See how long of a vlog this is. I'm shooting for 15 to 20 minutes for each Vlogtober vlog. I have 4 minutes left for this video to upload. I think I might just edit some short form content on my phone while I wait for that. I also think I'm gonna film a few clips while I look nice so that I can do my day in the life video. I try to do at least one day in the life as a boutique owner video a week so I can get some clip of me looking nice for the intro and the outro, and then just throw in other clips from the day. While the camera was charging, I went ahead and pressed and tagged this shirt. I should have recorded that, I'm sorry, but the camera was dead. But this is the shirt. I did glitter black vinyl and I absolutely love this. It's so cute. I think I'm gonna make myself one of these as well. This is Magic Seal spray. I use this on all of my projects. It's supposed to get rid of that weird feeling of like the rubbery of vinyl and DTG direct to garment, and so far I've loved using this. It has this glitter feeling, like so smooth. I love that. I'm gonna tag that on my bendable as well for Magic Seal. I have a TikTok on that also, so go check me out on TikTok at shop.daisy. It's the same handle across all of my platforms except for Pinterest, I believe. Pinterest is at Daisy Boutique. But this is so cute. Look at how glittery that is. I love it. That looks so good with the little drip. Then of course I have my tag here. This is a large shirt, so I'm going to put a large sticker. I have my large stickers here. I have nails, so I have a little picky tool. I'm just going to grab it and I put it down on the box so they'll know that it is a large. All of my lights are dying because I've been recording for like an hour. I'll probably just wrap the video up, you guys. It's been a long day. I do need to pack this order. I'm going to pack this order with y'all and then wrap the video up, I think. Now, when it comes to me folding up the shirt for my mystery boxes, I like to lint roll the area. We'll take a plastic baggie and the shirt. I like to give it a good shake. I would usually use my t-shirt folder, but ain't nobody got time for that. So this is the shirt now that it's nice and folded. I'm a perfectionist, so I try to make sure the bag is in there where the design is on the side where the tab doesn't fold over, if you get what I'm saying.